Want a card that gives you nearly 2 year interest free? Well, here's how to apply for the Wells Fargo Reflect card. Visit Wells Fargo website and find the Reflect Visa card. Well, tap apply now to get started. Enter your personal details, full name, address, social security number, income, employment, and housing information. Double check everything before submitting. This card offers a standout feature 0% intro APR for 21 months on both purchases and qualifying balance transfers. If you transfer within 120 days, after that, the APR ranges from about 17% to 29% with no annual fee. It also includes extras like up to $600 in cell phone protection with a $25 deductibles, roadside dispatch service, and zero fire liability, and access to personalized deals via their portal. Hit submit, and you will usually get an instant decision. If you have it approved, your card arrives in a few days. Activate it and start benefiting from the interest free period. That's it, like clear, quick, and smart for managing large purchases or consolidating debt. If this helped, give it a like, drop any questions in the comments, and subscribe for more efficient guides.